Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Shuttle new XM610G2 4.7-liter XPC Barebone series mini PC. So friends, Shuttle is expanding the XPC Barebone range with the new X610G2, a compact mini PC with 4.7-liter format, and the device offers outstanding flexibility because it's possible to integrate either two PCI-Express cards in single slot format or one dual slot card, and thanks to the PCI into 16 5.0, PCI into X1 3.0 slot, and user can customize the mini PC in variety of ways and add powerful components. And the XM610G2 support Intel Core processor of 12th generation, 13th generation, and 14th generation, and offers a solid performance base with up to 96 GB DDR5 memory, and graphics and multimedia connectivity is guaranteed. Two HDMI 2.0B port and one DisplayPort 1.4 and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port and 1 gigabit Ethernet port is available to provide a network connection, and inside the chassis there is space for 2.5-inch SATA drive and 3 M.2 slot and 2 in an M.2 2280 format and M.2 2230 slot that can be used for Wi-Fi and 4G modem and 4G modems, and with the ability to operate the temperature running from 0 to 15 Celsius is ideally suited to demanding environments. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.